Right, welcome back to Dark Traders Hub, and this is the BTC analysis session. Wherever you're watching from, at any time you choose to watch this stream from, welcome. Thank you for joining, and of course, if it is your first time to get to this, to find us here, please. Make it a point to subscribe if you find this content helpful, something that you need, and of course, if it is helpful, please share it with many more other friends of yours as we grow the community of traders together. Thank you so much. Of course, besides subscribing, go ahead, like it, give us a thumbs up so that we can be YouTube algorithm can see us and push also the channel. Otherwise, thank you so much. Let's now get into BTC. Let's start from Tuesday's analysis. Let's look at what we looked at on Tuesday. So we saw that, of course, we know that we've been consolidating a bit. We want price to reach there and then come here. So those who attended episode 29, you know what we discussed, and clearly price decided not to come back to this support, there. Then we can currently see that it is actually it actually gave us a perfect breakout right there out of that channel. So for now, we clearly see what price is doing there. We clearly see what price is doing right there. There's not been enough retest after that breakout. This is something that is I wouldn't stick to it. Remember, the analysis, I do the analysis and the plan for the asset for all kinds of traders, intraday traders, scalpers, and of course the swing traders. So this is what we can clearly see, and we know that now this is going to come around this level. Looking at Ep.30, we know that this price is going to come back to this level. What is that level? That is an order block right here. What you see there, that is an order block. The price is going to react back to confirm our retracement. Our breakout there, breakout that we had on H4 right there. So it will be coming to test that level, and then we see it go all the way back into the buy trend. Why the buy trend? We need it right there. That's the other level that we think and that it's a right one where we should see the sales come in. And the confirmations of those is that already we see price right there is oversold according to CCI, is overbought, meaning sales will be anticipated on such a level, if we start to see reaction of price when it gets to that level. So we'll be waiting for that to come through and see if we can grab the sell entries. And of course, clearly, more reason why we will be looking for sell entries right there is according to daily time frame, we haven't touched oversold yet. So we've been in that dilemma around there. So it means once H4 gets there, then it can come all the way down below according to daily and sell. I want to remind you that even weekly is still a general sell. We are still in sales for both weekly time frame, daily time frame. They all signal us to be looking for sales. But just like I told you, we don't follow sheepishly any time frame. So you want to analyze all the way to the down one so that you know the you get the whole plan of how this price is going to go. So for now, I can now delete all this. I can delete all this right here. It's not necessary anymore. And I delete that. Right. So now that that is taken out, I can also delete this, I believe. Let's see. Yeah. Now that I've deleted that, we clearly see, according to H1 and M15, you can even go as low as M5. We have an opportunity to take this all the way up. Why? Because of this change of character on M5. So all you do is wait for price to come back right about there, or to a fair value gap like that, or later on that comes. So that's all you need, and then you make your buy entry to take you back to the upper trend line. So this is basically for scalpers. This is M5 for scalpers. You can take this trade. So if it comes back here, you can choose to put your buy limits here or there, whichever area. But the one that I see as most important is this very order block, this candle right here, because it is where we see a push or a punch of money pushing. I've forgotten even the name, the term, but clearly you see that that's where, oh yes, a pump. So that's where a lot of money was pumped in, injected in the market to push for buys to go all the way up there. So for now, the retest is going to be anticipated soon. Once it is anticipated, you can wait for buy entries right about here. Yeah, I think clearly that's it. That's it clearly. Just a minute. Sorry guys, sorry about that. To first work on something, but yeah, that's what I was saying. So for scalpers, we have an entry. We can make that entry. Let's now get into it and wait for that retracement. Let's wait for that retracement. I see something like this. Yeah, this is something like that. Let's confirm if it can be a pullback for us, a retracement level. Yes, it is actually, because it is in premium right there. It is in premium, so that can confirm where you can even enter a short sell to take you back down below. So at least 50% of this. Now that you know that you're waiting for that, you can even scale down a bit more to M1, and clearly M1 will be giving you what you need. And yeah, so let's do this together. Let me enter my trade, a sell right now. I'm gonna enter. Look at what has happened. I'll put my stop loss right here. I'll put my stop loss right there, as I was entering this asset, something happened, and that dragged all the way price to bring me a little higher, lower my entry point. It was supposed to be within the box there, but it came a bit lower. So we can actually keep waiting for it. It's our TP level. We come in with the entries. We come in with the buy entries. We come in with the buy entries. So this is how I do it. As we wait on this very trade of ours, the sell that is coming down below. This is on M1. This is on M1. I want to remind you guys that the March mentorship program has started. Registration for the mentorship program has started. If you want to learn how to analyze like me and be able to trade like me, you have an opportunity to join. I'm going to be sharing. Okay, let me share them now as we are waiting on this trade. Let me share them now. So it has that is a flyer, official flyer for the March mentorship program and training, whichever you want to call it. So we learn a lot. Those are some of the things that we learn, but we learn a lot every day, Monday to Friday. Monday to Thursday, 2 hours every day, Monday to Thursday, for 4 weeks, for the whole month, 4 weeks. So those are about I don't know how many, 16. Is it 16 sessions, I believe. So yeah, 16 sessions or 16 classes in the whole month. So if you want to join, if you want to register for the March, you can still go ahead. Use that number you're seeing on your screen, or you can comment in the comment section down below and ask me to share with you the number. And or you can still go to the description of this channel, of this YouTube channel, and you'll find a link there that takes you directly to my WhatsApp inbox. So you can still do all those. And of course, there's an email that you can still access in the description of this, in the about me of this channel. And you can still get the email and email me and tell me what you need. The fees, I think I'm the cheapest mentor, or say teacher of forex trading on these streets. So yeah, $110 is the fee, so you can get this opportunity before we start in March. Otherwise, let's now head back and see how our trade is doing. We are in profits, guys. We are in profits. There's a bit of a pullback happening. Remember, our stop loss is all the way there, so we are roughly looking at a 1-to-1. If you can bring it close, but I don't see a reason why, because this can do this. From what I see, this can all come back there, right about there, and then probably make another entry if you want to. But all this is market, and the more that people pump it, something else can happen. So all you can do now is try to minimize. Okay, right here I'm only risking about $7. I can even bring it closer to $5, just about there. What am I getting? I'm getting about 7. I can bring it a bit lower to 10 or 9 and see. So it's almost like a 1-to-1. But remember, we are trading a retest. The major trade we want is this buy to take us right all the way back to the buy entry, right about there. We are waiting for this buy entry. So that's why this is just a retest. So now we wait. Let me see, do we have some comments in? Not really. If you have some questions, please don't hesitate to ask me so that I can respond to you so I can respond to them even before we finish this session. Of course, like I said, don't mind. If you want, you can go ahead and like. You can go ahead and like this stream, so that like helps us to be noticed by the YouTube algorithm as we keep growing the channel to reach more traders like you and me, and we grow this community together. As I keep on delivering these free signals on almost all markets. The one that I'm skeptical about is Forex. I don't normally trade Forex, but I have them. I have Euro USD. I follow it. I know all whatever is going on. I had trades right about here. I think I stopped trading it when it came back to this, when it made this move right here. I think that's the last time I traded it. Let me see. Yeah, that's the last time I traded it. The other time I was teaching guys, so I made that entry and closed it immediately. So I last traded it all the way here. That's where you can see the history. Oh yes, even this sell right here, even that sell right there. So I trade, but not that much. I trade Forex, but I don't like it. I love synthetic indices. Those who know synthetic indices, you can look for, you can always catch us on this very channel every day, Monday to Friday, where we have our analysis from 10:30 East African time to 11:30, strictly 1 hour. So yeah, that's what we do here. We do the analysis of these assets. So back to our BTC. You can see our sale is going on as planned. So if you had enough money, if your account is big, you should be in some good money right now. You know, some people look at pips and what have you. So I don't know the pip thing. I don't look into it. But yeah, this some people, even that can be enough for them to grab enough money to use in the week. Or in the weekend, whichever. So only that can still be enough. But for us, oh wait, has it reached the where you wanted it? Let's wait. It has come back to that fair value gap. It has touched it. Is it enough? Not really. It's not enough. It has to come down below. It's not enough. It's coming all the way down below. I don't see it being enough. That is my instinct, looking at the analysis I have and what I'm having on CCI. I don't think it is enough. We are still waiting all the way down below. Right, at least you can move out when it touches this OB on M5. That is for sure. So for now, we can head back to M1 and keep waiting. We have about 4 minutes to close this session. We normally stop at 1:30. So if you feel like this is enough, you can now bring your stop loss to break even, so that you it is too close. It is too close. The blocker is refusing me to have stop loss right there to break even. So I can leave it where it is and wait and see if it will come and take me out. We'll wait, but all this is real money that you can still secure right now as we speak. So this will be the confirmation of this kind of sale according to M1. Those who know change of characters, change of character kind of analysis or concept, that is a change of character right there. So all we need is price to come back and push, now giving us a lower lows and lower highs to all the way back here, as it also finds its way to reach there. So that's how I analyze. If you want to analyze like me, please hit me up and get enrolled to the March intake, to the March mentorship class, and you will learn a lot more. We learn all these that we're talking about. We also learn price action. We learn smart money concept. All those a lot. You'll have in that whole month, by the time you finish, your what you knew, you could have unlearned some or added a lot more. So it's a matter of every day unlearning some things and learning some new other things. So that's what we get into. Look at common mistakes and everything. So for now, I want to say thank you so much for joining today's session as I look into winding up. Let me give you some quick reminders. Synthetic indices are still going on. There's a thing right here. So we are still trading synthetic indices. So if you want every day, Monday to Friday, you can always join us, or you can still check on the channel all the episodes. We are currently at episode 87. Yeah, we are currently at episode 87, trading live, and of course giving live signals every day, Monday to Friday. I don't remember even the month we started, but yeah, it's been a drive. It's coming to 3 months, I believe. Yeah, it's coming to 3 months because we have about 3 episodes to make it 90 episodes, which is 3 months. Yeah, which is 3 months. So I believe if you are interested in those signals, you can always find us every day, Monday to Friday, 10:30 East African time, and join and trade together. If you don't know about synthetic indices, these are the likes of these are like Crash 500, Boom 1000, Boom 500, Volatility 25, Volatility 75, Volatility 50, Jump 25. We have the jumps. We have the Jump 10. And by the way, those who entered Jump, we are in big money. It made a retest, so I had to make other more entries right about there. So right now I can actually bring my stop losses into profits, and as we trail it all the way up. So congrats to those that kept in this market even as it did the retest. So you guys, I believe you are making money. This is on M5, of course. So congrats to those that attended today's synthetic index and took that signal today. Jump 10 is doing what we need, and we'll be entering it also. Otherwise, let's wind up with BTC. BTC has decided to take my stop loss right about there for after some good time, but we know that it's going to come back right here. So if you're still in the market of BTC, wait for it here. I'm still skeptical about it retracing in this fair value gap, so that's why I'm still sticking to this, but we wait and see. If it breaks that fair value gap on M5, then that means the retest would have been done right here. It would have used that fair value gap to do the retest, and clearly, just like I'm seeing now, I think there's been a pump into that, so it may continue into that. But you have to know that at a certain point it will come to mitigate this level right here, because it has not been mitigated. That is an order block, a valid order block to grab your entries from. So all I can say is keep waiting for this kind of move to enter your perfect buy entries. So I want to call it a day, and say have a wonderful weekend. And of course, let's meet next week. We normally have these sessions Monday to Friday. BTC sessions are normally on Tuesday at 1 p.m. East African time, just like you're in now. And of course, Friday, same time, 1 p.m. So whether you choose to join synthetics or you choose to join BTC, we still use the same broker, that is Believe. If you don't have an account with Delive and you feel like you want to trade all these other assets, please check in the description of this video. You will see where it says the broker that I use on all markets. I use the same broker to trade in the same account. Trust me, I use the same broker to trade all these assets in the same account. This same account, I can trade synthetic indices, I can trade cryptocurrencies, I can trade commodities, I can trade metals like gold, I can trade everything, indices, I can trade everything with this broker, which is a one that I know who can give me this kind of opportunity to have a same one account where I can trade almost everything at a go. So everything is at my disposal, I can do everything. So if you want, you can use the link in the description there, and feel free to ask me any questions if you have any issues in my inbox so that I can respond to them. But otherwise, let me wish you guys a good day. Happy trading day. See you next week. Bye-bye from me. See you.